everyone, this is me again, Princess Casey Sisolda, your future educator. And today I'll be talking about flexible learning modalities. Fun and creative strategies that make learning more engaging and inclusive. We'll go through 7 examples, and these are learning centers, experiments, role play, simulation, laboratories, Q&A session, and social media. So now, let's get started. Now, let's tackle about the learning centers. Learning centers are small activity stations around the room. Each station has specific task or skill to practice. For example, in English class, one station could be for reading stories, another for spellings, games, and another for drawing sense. This benefits students can choose what they enjoy. It supports different learning style. It promotes also independence and self-paced learning. Learning centers make students active participant, not just a listener. Next is experiments. Experiments are hands-on inquiry activities often used in science or STEM. Students test ideas, observe results, and also make conclusions. For example, testing how vinegar and baking soda react. It benefits perfect for kinesthetic learners because it develops curiosity and critical thinking, make lessons more exciting and memorable. When students experiment, they learn by doing, not just by reading. Next is role play. This means acting out real life or imagined situations. Students take on rules to experience lessons firsthand. For example, acting out a courtroom debate in social studies or pretending to be community helpers in elementary classes. Role play benefits builds confidence and communication skills. It also encourages empathy and teamwork. Also helps learner understand different perspectives because role play turns learning into an enjoyable interactive performance. Next is the simulation. Simulation is like a role play, but it focuses more on modeling real-life system or environments. It allows students to explore complex ideas safely. For example, a weather simulation or performing a home-based science activity using baking soda and vinegar to observe chemical reaction. Simulation, it benefits of the student, encourages decision making and reflection, works well with technology, and also helps visualize how real systems work. It's learning that feels real even inside the classroom. Next, we talk about the laboratories. Laboratories are controlled environments where students perform practical tasks. They can be science labs, computer labs, or even language labs. Laboratories, it benefits promote teamwork and problem solving. It encourages hands-on learning and also it supports real-world applications. When students are in the lab, they experience theory in action. Next is the Q&A session. Q&A or question and answer session helps teacher and student exchange ideas through guided question. Example, think, pair, share activities or oral recitations or Socratic seminars. This benefits checks students' understanding, clarifies misconceptions immediately, and also builds confidence in expressing ideas. A simple of Q&A can make learning interactive and meaningful. Next, we talk about the last one, a social media. This can be used in learning. Platforms like Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube can be help students express creativity and collaborative in online. Creating a short educational video or sharing class reflection in a group chat. This benefits promotes creativity and digital literacy. It encourages participation beyond the classroom and also makes learning fun and relatable for today's generation. When we use it wisely, social media becomes a tool for learning and connection. In my conclusion, all these flexible modalities from learning centers to social media helps teachers meet different learning styles and needs. They make learning more inclusive, active, and enjoyable. Remember, every learner is different, so our teaching should be flexible, creative, and student-centered. And that's all. Thank you. And that's all for today's vlog. I hope you'll learn something from my videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.